There is a Kim Holland investigation that will air tonight at 10 o'clock that you will definitely want to see. Could have an impact on New Mexico. And Kim joins us now to tell us more about it. Thank you, Kim.
Sure.
This is a case, a criminal case, a violent case that is going through the appeals process right now in New Mexico. Is that correct?
State Supreme Court.
And it is, however this turns out, could have a far-reaching effect on other cases.
Yeah, I'll go back and explain just a little bit. In 1997, the state legislature passed a law saying we're going to release, if you will, or let go of the statute of limitations on first-degree felonies. And those are the most violent charges of rape, murder, kidnapping, sexual assault of a child, some really heinous crimes. And they lifted the statute of limitations, which it used to be 15 years. So you had 15 years to charge somebody in a crime. They lifted that in 97, and in one New Mexico county, they decided to go back and retroactively charge somebody for a child rape they thought they should hold somebody responsible for. It's partial confession. They thought they had the right guy. Went to the appeals court, and the appeals court said you cannot retroactively go back and charge somebody prior to 1997. It is now in the Supreme Court.
And this isn't just, this is one case specifically, but there's a lot of other people in New Mexico watching it very closely.
It's unbelievable the amount of cases that this could affect. This one decision could affect how other cases prior to 1997 get charged. We talked to some detectives who said we have known suspects that we have just found in a rape, in a murder, in a sexual assault, known suspects because of DNA prior to 97 that we don't know if we can charge them. They know they're the suspects, but because we want to wait to see what happens with this one case in the Supreme Court, we don't want to take it and charge somebody if it's going to waste a lot of taxpayer dollars and time if the Supreme Court, state Supreme Court, throws it out. So they're waiting to see this decision.
And of course, a lot of this stuff, laws are passed, and then all of a sudden DNA comes into the equation.
Right.
You just mentioned that, and that sort of changes how you approach some of this.
It absolutely does. They collected the DNA prior to 97, which now they've got an absolute match on. That's why the case has changed. It's not that they didn't investigate it. So this one case could have implications and could open up and have people reinvestigate and possibly charge people in thousands of cases across New Mexico.
All right, fascinating story, an important story that you do not want to miss tonight at 10 o'clock. Kim, thank you.
You bet.